On today's menu, a delicious recipe so easy to make you can serve it up in no time. Sesame Noodles. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungMenCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. 15-minute sesame noodles. It is a delight to cook as it is to enjoy. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Do the 3 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. Three sticks of green onion, finely chopped. Half a red onion, thinly sliced. Chop about 85 grams of broccolini into bite-sized pieces. Four baby king oyster mushrooms, quartered. That's actually most of the work done. Really easy. If you love super easy and delicious recipes like me, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook. To take a sneak peek inside the book or to order a signed copy, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check these out. Now to make that delicious sauce. Cook 1 bundle of frozen udon noodles to package instructions. In this case, 5 minutes. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon hot sauce. This is a hot sauce that I made in a previous episode. Really simple to make, but super flavorful and super delicious. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can make this really easily at home as well. 1 tablespoon plant-based oyster sauce. Half tablespoon maple syrup, half teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Stir. Strain out the noodles and set them aside. Non-stick pan, medium heat. Half tablespoon white sesame seeds, half tablespoon black sesame seeds. Toast for about 2 minutes. Set aside. 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Saute the red and green onions, garlic and ginger for 2 to 3 minutes. broccolini, Saute for a couple of minutes. Mushrooms. Saute for a couple of minutes. Noodles. Sauce. Add about a quarter cup of veggie stock or water. Saute for a couple of minutes. Cook for another 30 seconds and it's done. Plate. Sprinkle over the toasted sesame seeds. You can now make this simple noodle dish with absolute confidence. I will definitely never tire of noodle dishes. Look at that. That really is a punch of flavor. I mean, visually, it is just beautiful. This really looks restaurant quality right out of your own kitchen. And those udon noodles have this really satisfying, delightful texture, this al dente kind of bite. And it's also crazy because the dark soy sauce gives it that deep, rich, beautiful caramel color. You also get that crunchy texture from the fresh broccolini, that kind of chewy texture from the mushrooms that also add a little bit of umami and absorbs all of that delicious sauce. You get so much flavor from the kind of garlicky, the onions. The green onions add that kind of aromatic freshness. The ginger adds a punch of flavor as well as that little bit of heat. It's complemented by that hot sauce, which also gives it that kick, that heat in that sauce. Those noodles are really just coated in that delicious stir-fry sauce, and you get that salty, that umami from the soy sauce, the sweetness from that maple syrup, the kick and that heat from the hot sauce, and of course that toasted sesame oil that really lifts up the aromatic kind of experience in this whole noodle dish. When you toast the sesame seeds in the pan dry, it actually gets the oils going in the sesame seeds and it activates that delicious aroma and flavor in the seeds, but it also imparts a kind of a sesame flavor onto the frying pan. And then when you go to saute everything in the pan, that sesame flavor just grabs onto everything that you're sauteing in that pan. So simple to put together, really delicious. You can literally make this in minutes. Like I always say, this definitely looks like a party and definitely is a party I'd like to attend. If you love easy and delicious recipes like this, then definitely check out that vegan ramen cookbook and the Cook with Confidence cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can take a sneak peek inside the books or order your signed copy. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.